In the last video, you saw us exploring Venice and all the kinds of shenanigans we got up to there, as well as our traditional Venetian hotel that we were not too impressed with. After our time in Venice, it was time to move on to Trieste, but we were doing this ourselves via the train. So you may ask, how do you get from the bottom of Venice to the very top via the Grand Canal and then get the train across Italy to the cruise port destination of Trieste? Well, I am going to show you just that in this video, in case you yourselves were ever thinking of perhaps visiting Trieste from Venice, or even boarding a cruise from Trieste and fancied a couple of days like we did in Venice first and thought it might be quite difficult to get there. Then this is the video for you. I'm going to tell you how to do that and show you some fun and mishaps we had along the way. We are just in the water taxi, about to go under the Rialto Bridge on our way up the Grand Canal to the train station to go to Trieste this afternoon. We'll share the highlights with you. So first of all, getting up to the train station itself, in Venice you will see these water taxi platforms everywhere, and it is line 2 to go up the Grand Canal to San Lucia train station. This train station is basically at the very top and the route is well mapped, but you can just easily ask a conductor if you're unsure. It's around €9 to get the water taxi up to the train station, and it drops you right in front of the train station. So we are now at the top of the Grand Canal, which is right where the San Lucia train station is, which is the train station in Venice. We have to go over the waterway to the Mestre main train station, which is on the mainland, to get the train to Trieste. So this is all about train travel in Italy and showing you a few tips along the way. So let's head inside to make our way to Trieste. As we ramble inside with our backpacks, an Italian train customer service representative obviously knew that we were tourists and helped us go to the ticket machine that we needed to get the direct tickets, because it's quite confusing in Italian train stations in that they have the super fast trains and then the ordinary trains and then the local trains, and we found out it is these red ticket machines that we needed to be at to get this particular train, as there was no super fast train to Trieste, but at least it was direct and we didn't have to change. And this is just me trying to get a thumbnail en route. The trains to Trieste in season are roughly every hour, so we had a little bit of time to pass before the train set off, so Johnny decided to get a few snacks. I, however, just decided I would be okay with my biscuits that I had taken from the free hotel room coffee bar, and then it was time to board. So what happened, you may all be wondering? Well, I did hold the door for Johnny, but I thought that he had got it, but he hadn't. And obviously the door closed on him and he dropped the camera. But the camera was fine, Johnny was fine, no harm done. So we decided to sit back and enjoy the much needed rest after walking around Venice for 2 days. My feet were very sore. I had to put them up because they were hurting, but I did take my shoes off as a mark of respect.
Ba-ba-da
thought it was 2 hours. It's 3 hours, but at least it's direct. The final act is we are trying to navigate how to open these handles. We're worried it's an emergency pull button because it's red and there's something there, and we're very scared that we're going to do something we shouldn't. So let's see what happens when the train stops.
Well, let's choose our name. I'm going for it.
Do it, do it, do it. Oh, yes. Oh, shit. Oh, God. So we have arrived in Trieste, onto our destination. I'll show you the outside of the station, but it was a no frills kind of journey. Not exactly a swanky train, but it was a clean train, and it was pretty simple getting the tickets and getting on. But it was a bit of a swanky train. So that was a step-by-step guide if anybody was ever thinking of needing to come to Trieste, which is where the cruise port usually goes from. You can stay in Venice, have a night there, and easily get to the Venice train station to Trieste, and the cruise port is literally right at the side of the train station for €21.90. See you in the next one. Bye! Ba ba da ba ba.